Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Poetic Revolution case for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. So we will talk about its design features, build quality, durability, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So here is our Poetic Revolution case for Google Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro. It comes in black and blue color option. The one we got here is the black one. So if you open the box, we got two parts here. As you can see, the back frame and the front frame. Here we got some quick start guide kind of stuff, user manual, screen protector accessories, and that's all we got. So here we got the front frame with a screen protector pre-applied on it. And here we got the back frame for our Poetic Revolution case for Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro. So you can see that how durable and rugged the back frame of Poetic Revolution case is looking, and see it's very solid. We got these fake screws here. The combination of the glossy finish and matte finish is looking very beautiful and eye-catching. As you can see, we got these grooves here on both left and right side that's going to contribute in the grip while holding the device. So where your palm is touching is this part, you will touch the upper part with your finger or thumb, and because of that the grip you will get is very solid. It's so nice here. The volume keys are also textured and it is also providing and contributing in the overall grip while holding this case. Here we got the Poetic branding. It comes with a built-in kickstand. As you can see here, this is the kickstand we got. It is also quite sturdy and durable. Here we go. On the inside, once again, we got this Revolution series branding, and it comes with military grade 810G drop protection. So you're going to get solid protection with the Poetic Revolution case on your Google Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro. On the inside, as you can see, that it is filled with the shock-proof EVA foam to provide superior drop protection to your smartphone. As we got the soft TPU on the side, we got the EVA foam on the rest of the area, and then we got the hard polycarbonate surface to provide protection to your smartphone from every angle. The built-in kickstand on the Poetic Revolution case allows you to use your smartphone in the horizontal position as well as on the vertical position. So this is a very nice, useful and handy feature that we got here on Poetic Revolution case that you can use for video calling, watching movies, or just using your smartphone in both vertical or horizontal position depending on your necessity and requirement. Here we got this front frame. As you can see, it comes with this screen protector pre-applied on it. So all you have to do is remove this film, put your smartphone following the pattern for the volume keys, and after that you will have to put this on the back frame and you will be good to go. So as you can see that it will provide 360-degree protection to your smartphone from every angle, and that's quite nice and impressive for sure. As you can see here, the surface area around the camera module is raised up to 2 mm to provide protection to the camera module and the camera lenses. And talking about the display, we got 1.8 mm raised edges for the front frame to provide protection to the display. So once again, you will get 360-degree protection for your Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro if you use the Poetic Revolution case with it. And if you do not want to use the screen protector, you can easily remove it and use just the front frame and the back frame with your device. So if you're planning to buy a nice case for your Google Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro, then Poetic Revolution case is one of the best options for you for sure, as it provides solid 360-degree protection to your smartphone, a very nice grip, and comes with this nice kickstand that you can use for multiple purposes. If you want to buy it, then you can visit the link given in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner of the display. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.